So the three products you're going to need is a spoolie. I just used the spoolie at the back of one of my eyebrow pencils. You're going to need eyelash glue, obviously. I use the Duo lash glue that dries clear. And the last thing is you're going to need something to fill your brows in. So with this technique, I've used eyebrow pencils and I've also used the Anastasia dip brow, and those work perfectly. But my favorite thing to use as of lately is the Glossier brow flick. Mine's in the color brown, and I like using this because it just makes my eyebrows look more natural and feathery. So I'll show you guys how I accomplish that look with that product. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly brush through my brows. I'm going to take the lash glue. So I like this tube instead of like the squeezy tube of the lash glue, because with this I'm able to directly place the product and as much product as I want onto the spoolie. So take a good amount, make sure that it's completely coated, not all throughout the spoolie, but just on one side. Once it's coated, I don't like to wait till it gets tacky. I just go in with the lash glue wet like this, and I just start brushing through my brow. I go upward because I like my brows to look messy, fluffy, natural. I like having the hairs of the eyebrows kind of look a little bit messy. And I feel like if you wait for the lash glue to dry, you have to work a little bit quicker. So if you go in with the lash glue a little bit wet, you can move around your brows and kind of like decide how you want them to be placed. So that's how that brow looks like. And even if you wanted to, I feel like it's really popular to just leave your brows looking not completely filled in. This could be a look too if you just wanted to like stop there, but I'll show you guys how I fill my brows in. I'm just going to quickly apply glue on this side, and then I'll show you guys how I use the brow flick. There's that brow laminated, but as you can see, I feel like this eyebrow, the hair on this eyebrow, the length is longer, so they look more fluffy, and I like this look better than this one. This one, the eyebrow hairs aren't as long, so they kind of don't look the same. So that's why I like using this Glossier brow flick. It's kind of like a marker. It just looks like a very slim marker, and that's pretty much what it is. So you can easily just draw on the hair that you want. So I'll show you guys how I do this. First, I like starting up at the front of the brow, and I just kind of start at the base right here just to create like an actual shape. My brows are a little bit uneven, so I just start down here at the base. And just kind of start creating like a more even line. And I'm just like barely applying any pressure as I'm doing the little flicks. I try to focus on the areas where I barely have any hair. So let's see, so now once I finish the base, I move on to areas like up here where there isn't a lot of eyebrow hair. And then as I start making my way down to the tail, I really just try to emphasize like the fleek or like the fluffiness of the brow. So I just do little flick motions outward all the way until I reach where I want my brow to end. And then I'm just going to go back up here, fill in this area. that's pretty much it. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit there. I think this brow is pretty much done. I'm gonna move on to the next one. Usually when I finish both brows, I kind of like look at them side by side to see where I need to fill in a little bit more, but it's that easy. It's super easy with this product. I feel like this makes my brows look 10 times better. I feel like it's better than the eyebrow pencil or the dip brow, but with the other ones you can still accomplish kind of like the same look. But this is the best. That's it, you guys. That took like 2 minutes when usually my eyebrow routine takes like 20 minutes. So that's why I'm like so obsessed with this routine now. It's so easy and I love the way that my eyebrows look. They just look really natural and fluffy, and I feel like they let the rest of my makeup speak for itself. Sometimes if you have perfect eyebrows with like concealer under them and all of that, it's just too much and it takes away from your whole makeup look. So I'm obsessed with my new routine for my eyebrows. I hope you guys try it out. It's super easy and it's also really easy to remove. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of questions on how I remove the eyelash glue from my eyebrows, and in my skincare routine I have a 2-step cleansing process. The first cleanser I use is an oil-based cleanser just to remove all of my makeup. And then after that, I take more of like a regular cleanser that you would use to wash your face. And after I've done both of those cleansings, most of the eyelash glue pretty much comes off on its own. Sometimes I do have to like go in with my fingers to remove some of the residue of the eyelash glue, but it's nothing crazy and it's never damaged the eyebrows or the eyebrow hairs. I haven't had any of like my eyebrow hairs come off or anything like that. So I feel like it's completely safe to use on your eyebrows. So don't be scared to apply eyelash glue onto your eyebrows, as crazy as that sounds. And I hope you guys try it out. Even if you have like a little bit of eyebrow hair or a lot of eyebrows, I feel like I got a lot of that comments, or a lot of similar comments to that in my other eyebrow video with the soap. A lot of you guys were saying that you guys don't have enough eyebrow hairs or you guys have too much eyebrow hair, but just try it out. Especially if you don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, the brow flick is perfect for you. You literally can draw on your eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this routine and noticed this pimple that I have here that I turned into a beauty mark. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have requests for other videos, as always, leave those in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video.